Hi, so here is the unboxing video of ASUS VivoBook. So I've already broken the seal, so we'll open it. Only three things are to be found in this. One is the laptop, second is the charger, and third is the user manual. So here we have the charger cable, and this is a pretty decent small charger. Then here we have our laptop. Wow. So that's the user manual. There is one more. So this we'll see later. So here we have the machine. We reveal it. So that's the machine, and hope it works really good. So I'm done with the unpacking, and let's plug this power cord. And here on the other side we have the battery indicator. So yes, it's charging, and we hit the power button. The beast comes into life. Now it will have its regular setup process as per MS Office and Windows. So thank you for watching this.